Welcome to today's Explainer. I am super excited to get into this one because we are exploring a truly fascinating intersection today. It's the exact point where cutting-edge cybersecurity meets the very next generation of the internet. According to our source material, a network called Univex is actively attempting to future-proof Web3 against some very real, very looming cybersecurity threats. And, if you've been following the evolution of digital security even a little bit, you already know that the landscape is just shifting so rapidly right now. So today, we're going to break down the proposed architecture of a completely quantum-resistant future, and we'll map out exactly how this project aims to build a secure environment from the absolute ground up. Okay, let's dive into this by starting with the core problem. Look, as we build out Web3, we are storing unprecedented amounts of value and personal information online. But there is a massive storm on the horizon, one that the cybersecurity world ominously calls Q-Day. Basically, Q-Day is this hypothetical deadline when quantum computers become powerful enough to just shatter the cryptographic locks that secure pretty much everything we do online today. To understand why this is so scary, think of current encryption as a really complex math problem involving prime numbers. For a normal computer, solving it would take thousands of years. But for a quantum computer, we're talking minutes, literally minutes. It's a wildly urgent issue, and it's prompting projects across the tech world to scramble for highly sophisticated solutions. So, what's the fix? Well, the prevailing solution in the cybersecurity space is post-quantum cryptography, or PQC. This involves advanced cryptographic systems that are specifically designed to withstand attacks from those future quantum machines. To put it simply, if current cryptography relies on math problems that quantum computers can easily solve, PQC uses these incredibly complex, multidimensional math mazes like lattice cryptography that are engineered to completely trip up even the most advanced quantum processors. Our source material notes that UnivexNetwork has actually been proactively researching and developing these NIST standardized protocols right from the very beginning, making this advanced protection an inherent part of their architecture rather than just an afterthought.
And this brilliantly illustrates a much broader ambition here. Unifex's stated vision isn't just about applying a quick, quantum-resistant band-aid to a single app. No, they outline a comprehensive plan to create a complete, quantum-resistant ecosystem. This is a massive pivot, right? It shifts the narrative away from just patching a localized threat toward proposing a truly visionary, holistic solution. The overarching goal described in the text is all about empowering users. They want to engineer an entire environment specifically designed to protect your digital identity, your data, and your digital assets against the absolute inevitability of quantum threats.
Let's break down what this ecosystem actually looks like, because it involves several moving parts working together to form a comprehensive, expanding shield. You've got systems like Univex AI and Univex Smart AI, which are positioned to drive the network's intelligence. Then, there are the everyday user interfaces we all use, the Univex wallet and the Univex browser. They even incorporate an entertainment and gaming platform, which really signals their intent for broad consumer-level application. But the underlying idea here is that the PQC security infrastructure acts as the foundational bedrock for all these distinct elements. It aims to secure absolutely everything, from a basic token transfer all the way to a highly complex, AI-driven smart contract.